Perfect strategy and easiest strategy for beginners in pocket option. So stay with me. Hi, I'm Ahmed Ibrahimi and here is the FX channel and welcome to another live trade in the pocket option site. Before starting training, don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your support, my friend, for more free videos. For free signal, VIP signal, copy trade, join my Telegram ID in the description, or you can use QR code. If you don't have an account in the pocket option, you can use the link in the description for create a real account, demo account, or use 50% bonus. Let's go to the chart. Okay, my friend. For this great strategy, we need three indicators: Keltner channel, a stochastic, RSI, and we need path of the market. Time frame 1 minute. Settings for Keltner channel: stochastic, RSI. But how works Keltner channel? When the candle cut the blue line, for example here, it's a signal in the Keltner channel. In the stochastic, when the candle cut the orange line, it's a signal, for example here, here. In the RSI, we have a two confirm in the path of the market in the RSI and confirm in the break green line, for example here or here. But we need path of the market. For example, market is here. You see in the path of the market and find a point or touch, my friend. Okay, for example, market is here, and you see in the path of the market here, look at this, and then you need confirm in the another indicator in the Keltner channel, stochastic, RSI, all three or just one. Another confirm in the path of the market. Look at this, for example, now market is here. You need fast find point in the path of the market. Look at this, in this point we have a confirm many point here, 3 point, many point, okay, 1 point here, 1 point here, and enough. And then you need confirm in the Keltner channel stochastic RSI. Okay, my friend, now let's do some trade. Okay, my friend, look at this here. In this point in the path of the market, look at this here. We have a many point here, many point here. We need confirm in another indicator. We have confirm in the RSI. RSI confirm the path of the market. Look at this. So this market moved down. Perfect, my friend, good job. First profit and good profit. Let's find another signal. Okay, my friend, look at this here in this point. In the path of the market, we have a 3 point here. So we need confirm the another indicator. In the another indicator, we have a confirm. In the Keltner channel, candle cut the blue line here. In the stochastic, blue line cut the orange line. In the RSI, we have a break, green line. So it's a strong signal, and this market moved down. Perfect, my friend, good job. And let's find another signal. Okay, my friend, look at this here. In this point in the path of the market, we have a 1 point here, many point here, and 1 point here. We need confirm the another indicator. We have confirmed the RSI. Look at this. Touch in the path of the market. In the RSI. Touch here and touch here. So this market moved down. Perfect, my friend, good job. It was a good profit, and it was my last trade, my friend. You will manage to earn $12,000 with this great strategy and easy strategy. So don't forget like and subscribe. I need your support, my friend, for more free videos. For free signal, VIP signal, copy trade, join my Telegram ID in the description, or you can use QR code. If you want to trade yourself, be sure to practice in demo account. So if you don't have any kind of pocket option, you can use the link in the description for carry the real account, demo account, or use 50% bonus. Share this video to your friends. Be sure to watch my other video. Until the next video, peace out.